Hello guys, this is a guitar tutorial of At My Worst by Pink Sweats. So it's a really beautiful song, and today I'm going to be teaching you the chords of the song as well as the intro melody, which I played in the intro of the video. Now talking about the song is quite easy to play and it is also very fun to play because it uses this slap technique along with finger picking. So it will be perfect for those who want to practice this technique. Now let's talk about the chords used in the song. The chords are pretty simple. Only 4 chords are used, 4 basic open chords. The first chord is C major. The second chord is A minor. The third chord is D minor. And the fourth chord is G major. So only 4 chords are used in the song: C, A minor, D minor and G major. Now talking about the chord progression of the song, throughout the whole song the chord progression remains the same. The chord goes from C to A minor to D minor to G major. So as you can see, it's very easy to play. The chord progression remains same throughout the song. I'll be teaching you the intro melody of the song at the end of the video, so make sure you watch all the video. Now let's learn the finger picking pattern used in the song. The finger picking pattern is quite simple. In each chord you have to first hit the bass note. For example, suppose in C major chord the bass note is 5th string. So this is the bass note. You have to hit it once. Then after 1st, 2nd, 3rd string, slap. Again hit the bass note twice. 1st, 2nd, 3rd string, slap. And to end the whole pattern, again hit the bass note once. So it goes like. Now in A minor chord the bass note is also 5th string. Now bass note, 1st, 2nd, 3rd string, slap, bass note twice, 1st, 2nd, 3rd string, slap and again bass note. Now in D minor chord the bass note is open 4th string, so you have to hit the 4th string, bass note, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, slap, bass note twice, 1st, 2nd, 3rd string, slap and bass note. So it goes like. Now in G major the bass note is 6th string, so it goes like. When you play it together, it sounds like this. So this is the chord progression of the song. Throughout the whole song, the chord goes like C major, A minor, D minor, G major. Now if you find the finger picking pattern difficult, you can also simply strum. The strumming pattern will be down, down, up, up, down, up. In each chord, down, down, up, down, up. So it goes like in C major, A minor, so you can also play the song by strumming if you feel the finger picking pattern difficult. Now the song goes like. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, oh I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in. Oh don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. Now in this section you have to just strum the chord once. Oh don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope to see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And And for you, girl, I serve you too. Na, na, na. So as you can see, the chord progression is same. I don't think so I have to explain the whole song. So let me now show you how to sing the song while strumming. Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is going in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love me at my worst. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope to see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, girl, I said I'll do the na-na-na. So this was the tutorial for the song, guys. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel.